Hi everyone, this is my $5 Goodwill challenge, and it's a raw iron tree dash candle holder, and this collaboration challenge is hosted by Hillary at Old World Home. Okay, sit back and relax and let's transform this. I was really happy to come across this because not only do I get a tree for the holiday in a strong raw iron tree that I can use over and over again as a decorative piece in my home, but also it's a candle holder, and I really like the way this is put together. But let's see what we can do with it. Now the price for this was $6.99, but I ended up paying half of that, which was less than $5. Now, after removing all the glass stones that was in this piece, it's time to paint. Now, after priming this using the paint and primer paint, I have now decided to spray it. And I'm going to spray it a gold. And this is what I'll be using. And after painting and spraying, here's the results. A brilliant gold color. Now let's decorate it and put it on display. Okay, all done. Now, don't forget to go check out Hillary at Old World Home and check out this $5 Goodwill challenge. There'll be other participants, wonderful participants, in this challenge. So don't forget to check out the playlist listed below. This is a view of it with the lights off and just the candle. So what do you think? From this to this to this. Comment down below and let me know. If you're not a subscriber, become a part of my channel. Push that button down below for more home decor and DIYs. And as always, if you're my subscriber, thank you, amores. and I'll see you next time.